everyone, my name is Mikayla Snow and today I'm going to be showing you guys some Detective Pikachu cosplay outfits. Costumes? Also, stay tuned to the end of the video where I do a little makeup tutorial on this kind of like yellowish brown color makeup eyeshadow. So I was obviously inspired to do this video because Detective Pikachu, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so awesome. So I was just inspired to do kind of like a little lookbook or haul or DIY or just like. So we're gonna be testing those out today to see which makes the cutest Detective Pikachu costume. Also, I'll put all of the links down below in the description, so if you want to be Detective Pikachu for Halloween or any event like that, check out the description below. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox all of this stuff. So this is basically the first clip I'm filming. So let's just get into these boxes. So this first one I actually already had to open because I just bought this Canon wide angle lens. It's a 10 to 18 millimeters, if anyone knows what that means. I don't really know, but it made it so you can see more. Like usually it's like really close or like awkward and it's like not much room. But now that I have a wide angle, I could like stand in the corner. And it's like you would never be able to see my entire body before. So that's really cool. Anyways, got the wide angle lens, so I had to open this box first, but I tried really hard not to peek on what else was in here. So the first package we got, the ear and tail. Ooh, okay, and now we have a dress. I think this is the hat. Oh my gosh. And what is this? Oh, this is actually a security camera mount. This is unrelated. Oops. And then we got this big old bag. Okay, so the first thing. Oh, is this the onesie? Oh my gosh, this is the onesie. Oh no, this is like the romper almost. I literally put on romper today because I was too lazy to put pants on. And this, oh, did it fall out? I'm like, excuse me. Oh my gosh, I literally can't believe I bought this. Look at that, okay. Oh my gosh, I bought this. Why does her makeup look so scary? Anyways, we won't judge. So we literally got 3. Did I only get 3? I don't know, give me 1 second. Okay, let's just jump into it. I wanted to do like the little red cheeks, but like I want to wear my makeup today's Pikachu cheeks in. Anyways, so let's get started. For me, this was like the key piece to the, oh my goodness, to the whole look, because obviously the new movie's about him being a detective, so I was like, we need a Sherlock Holmes hat. It's kind of cute. I'm like not mad at it. I'm like kind of mad because it's like, it makes my head look a little big, but it like looks like European. We'll do a full spin. But that's the hat. I was planning on wearing it this whole episode, but it's kind of big. Okay, so I ordered this hat off of Amazon and it was $19.99. It's just like not a bad price for a hat, almost average, you know? But on the picture, it does look a little skinnier, but I guess if you know the style, you would expect it to be like this big. Okay, so now on to the ear and the tail. I'm so excited for this because it's really just Pikachu in general. So this is the bag it came in. It was kind of like exploding out of it. It's called a Thunder Squirrel Costume. Very appropriate. And this was only $9.95. I think maybe because it isn't Halloween, it might be a good price. Oh my gosh, it's literally just like a little safety clip on the tail. So ears, obviously, gotta take off this tag, duh. There we go, perfect, harmless. Oh my gosh, I've never had Pikachu ears. That's so weird to think about. But they look really accurate. And then we have the tail. Wouldn't it go like big side in like this? Why does it look so weird? But we're gonna have to figure this one out. But I mean, it looks like a tail, I guess. So next, I'm just gonna take out the yellow dress for like the DIY version. And obviously I'm gonna leave the ears on because they're adorable and they kind of help tame my crazy hair. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm really hoping this works out because it's just like a cute little yellow dress. And this dress was only $17.99 and it actually came in a bunch of different colors. So I think it's like a perfect kind of like cosplay dress where it's like enough to where you need like the color down, but then you can just do your makeup and hair in the version of whatever you're doing. Okay, so the next one I'm pretty excited about because it's gonna be really comfy. So we got this I Choose You onesie bodysuit and I got extra small. I'm hoping it's small enough. And then again, for sizing reference, I'm 5'3". I'm a kind of short and I'm 106 pounds, give or take, if I'd had a good breakfast. Okay, ooh, it comes with a, oh, I thought it was a card. It's a product catalog. They played me. Oh, and it comes with tissue paper. This looks so freaking soft and adorable. Oh no, I think it might be a little big, but it looks good. It looks soft, and this tail. Look at the tail. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. It has the stripes on the sides, which I looked at a lot of pictures and I like how it has the stripes on the sides, but a lot of like front pictures of Pikachu, you can't see his stripes. So I was gonna do like a little felt DIY for that dress. You can't see it, but it's the yellow dress. But I didn't really think it was necessary because you can't really see the stripes. But if you want to, you probably could. But this is the onesie. Look at the little ears. They're actually brown compared to these black ones. So I don't know which one's right. I feel like it's always been black. And last but not least, we have the actual costume that came with a costume bag but didn't come in the costume bag. So first off, the ears fell out and they're like wire and soft fabric. And they got a little bow, which is dumb, but this whole costume's a little saucy. But we got some ears. I feel like the squishy ones are better than these anyways. It's called Catch Me Honey. Even when I ordered it, I never even realized the headpiece. That's so weird. And here is the dress. I honestly love it a lot, even though it's kind of like feminine and trying to be like a little saucy. I think it's fun. It has like the black tip of the tail. That looks really good. I think this is it. I don't know, guys. Guess we're gonna have excuse my floor. I think we're gonna save that one for last because it's pretty cool. Okay, so first I'm gonna try on the onesie. Okay, so here is the onesie. There's kind of like excess fabric. There's also snaps underneath to open and close it. And then the little zipper has like a cute little Pokeball on it. And then you have the back. It's just like a cute little tail. Can you see it? And then, of course, so cute. Oh my gosh, me and my boyfriend have been planning a trip to Japan. It's expensive, but we really want to go. And this is just so kawaii, you know? That was awful, I'm sorry. I love it. It's like warm and cozy and just like comfortable. And obviously this is kind of like a home chilling outfit, but I'm sure if you like wanted to wear it out, you could just throw on some shorts like any other bodysuit. I actually really love this one. It's just so soft and comfy. But to make this a Detective Pikachu cosplay, obviously we're gonna need the hat. And something that I really wanted to work was to be able to have like Pikachu ears and then like a little detective hat like he has, but I couldn't find one in time. So maybe even if we put the hoodie on, would that work? Plop it in the... I don't think that works. Okay, so I just put on this yellow dress and I had high hopes for this dress, but like most bodycon dresses, you gotta like have not eaten anything for a while or else you're like but this one you just kind of see like all the wrinkles of your body and like every divot that exists, you know, and like you can see like my underwear outline. Even though I'm wearing like seamless underwear, you can still see it. I kind of like how tight it is on the knees. It feels like, you know, you're doing those workouts with the resistance bands. Anyways, I think it could be really cute. And for this reason, that's why I bought like the ears and the tail. I'm really sad because I really wanted this to work. I don't know why I even thought it would, but like once you pin it, it's just like the fabric is too delicate and I don't want to like make a hole in the dress or anything, but that's not a cute look. I'm not a furry, so I don't know where my tail goes. Does that look right? Ah, okay. And then I have the ear. This is like a struggle. This is like a classy Halloween costume. If you didn't want to go like all out, you just go medium amount of, how did I do it? See, let's just unpin it. Okay, so here is the one I was most looking forward to. These lines remind me of a crayon outfit for some reason, I don't know. But the tail on this one, amazing. Like, you can't say that's not a good tail. Like, look at that tail! I refuse to wear the headpiece because I think it's dumb. But we got this one, so it doesn't matter. And it matches the... This fabric is a little see-through, like necessarily bad, but like not really the look we're going for, you know? The skirt is a little itchy. It has like this tulle material. It's like really scratchy, but it does like make it puff up, so that's like why they have it there. But I just can't get over how perfect the tail is. I really think this would make a great Halloween costume. And then we got the detective hat. Perfect. Detective Pikachu. Boop. Hi, my name is Mikayla Snow and you're watching Disney Channel. My eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to turn on the notification bell to be notified the next time I upload a video. Anyway guys, I love you so much. I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.